My childhood was a long time ago, but still, the moment that I think about, and the one that I think has kind of relevance to what we're talking about here. We didn't live in a city with a Major League Baseball team, and I grew up as a huge sports fan. Still love baseball, but I remember driving down the interstate into this big city. We were going to Atlanta and seeing the lights of the stadium, and kind of we walk in, get our tickets, and we're walking through the concourse, and we step out onto the field. And I'm telling you, like, if you look, I've got chills right now. You kind of see these bright lights shining down, and you can smell the grass and the hot dogs and the popcorn, and you can hear the murmur of the crowd, the gloves popping in the mitts, the bats hitting the ball, right? This full sensual emotional thing. And again, still getting goosebumps thinking about it. Why do I remember that? Well, one, there's an emotional memory. There's family, there's baseball, there's all of those things that make it stick in my head. There's the sights, the smells, the sounds, right? Engaging all of these senses. And so it ends up gaining relevance as a memory forever, right? Forever for long-term retention. And when I walk into a Major League Baseball stadium today, minor league baseball stadium today, I remember those moments. So it's on this kind of instantaneous long-term recall. Why does it stick? Because of the emotion attached to it, because it engaged all of those senses, and that's going to be relevant for retaining information that, look, organic chemistry is not going to give you goosebumps, I promise. But can we create some emotional attachment to the things we're learning? We'll see how that goes as organic chemistry develops. Wouldn't it be cool? Goosebumps over organic chemistry. Let's make that our goal. I can't believe I left without saying it. We've got this comment thing down there. Tell me what your memory is. Tell me something about yourself. And by yourself, I mean about whatever your username is. Share that. Share that memory that you have, that connects, and why you think you remember it. What emotions were attached to it? What senses were engaged? Um, Again, we're talking about creating this YouTube channel as being sort of a community of organic chemistry learners. Share your thoughts, share your experiences.